Good morning, everyone. How we be? Hope everybody's good. All right. Down, 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 and down, right? Well, position, chop zone on the daily. Position 1 on the 4-hour. Position 1 on the 1-hour. Late position 1, but that, there's still room, I guess. The real test is right here. All right, on the 15-minute, it's just kind of ranging around right now, waiting for the next move, right? So do they draw into liquidity up here first? Or do they draw into it up here first? And then bring it down? Okay, or not, right? So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting to see if they, because we have a perfect auction, right? So like right here, they drew, they drew, they needed more, they drew into this liquidity. Okay, so are the longs drawing here? Okay, not literally, right? Think about it, the opposite of that. Okay, we're waiting for the next extension. Which way is the next extension? That's what we're waiting for. It'll tell us. Now, there's a guy that keeps running around with 1,000 contracts. Right now he's at 20. He's at 20. He was just at 16. I'm sure he's still there. I'm sure he'll go back. But there's a guy that's accumulating something down here of epic proportions or distributing a short of epic proportions, and that's what's making this thing go down. Who knows? But if you can see it on the tape or in the order flow. Where he is at 20 and a quarter right now. He was at 16 a little bit ago. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful morning. We are going to start narrow range. Oh, wait, we went outside, barely outside range. 46.5 was the next one. So we're right at that now. Okay. So now we don't, oh, look at that. Look at that. Oofta. Okay. Stay light, stay nimble. That's what I didn't do yesterday. So I got smacked. But I had 3 accounts that were green and 5 that were non-existent. All right, your 5-minute ES and NQ long work just fine. Okay, we've got a 5-minute long on the NQ at 35.25 or ES at 35.25, but it's too big for me to take. Okay, we're back at break even. Yesterday's close, which is right by yesterday's lows, which is what we just came off of. All right, so, well, hey, here's the first push into finding liquidity, right? This is going to turn into a big pink or blue bar, and I can't. Buyers are in control though, for now. So it's a big blue veiny. Lord. Right into the VWAP Appleton, right? So are they getting the liquidity, right? We just talked about it. Are they pushing it up into this pocket of liquidity? And then they're going to figure out what to do with it? It's a good morning to you. Island Souls. Oh, Luce. Let's get rid of all that. We don't need all that. We know we're good. Okay, he's bidding 1,000 on 32. 1,000 on 32. 1,000 on 32. 1,000 on 32. Nope. The blue veiny gets smoked. Oh, wait. That's even worse. That's, that was funny. That was really, really funny. Make sure your live button is red, please. All right. So the delta is trying to climb, but that's not anything that's to write home to mom about in the NQ. Definitely not anything to write home to mom about in the ES. Deltonian capacitor. Yesterday's close, right? So we're sitting at gap fizzle. NQ sitting at gap fizzle. Ninja Trader says 29.50 is last close, and it says that 37.50 is last close. Which one is it? 37.50. 29.50 is the 4 p.m. price. Ah, all right. I see the difference in the two now. 12 years. Well, no, 14, 15 years. Morning. Morning. Morning, bro.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Holy
Order
shit.
filled. Order filled.
Holy shit, man. Oh, I was long on that one. Oh, that worked really good. I was trying to close it. I was trying to put the order in. Hello, ladies. I didn't get the leg sweep. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. What do we have going on here? Let's go ahead and make sure we're only trading one contract. And he goes around the corner. It's almost like we're watching a NASCAR race. We're going to go around the corner. We're going to take another lap. Wow, that was so quick. I couldn't put the 34.50 leg sweep in. 31.75 would have been your stop. I did get 6 points. I actually got 7, but I had to give a point back because somehow it went short because I hit close at the same time as I hit my freaking target. Let's go. Crushing it. Crushing it. Right now, I am up $700. Oh, 759. 754. Oh. Oh. Look at how they swept the leg of that blue ski and then said, see, now this proves, right, that like if your system is bulletproof, you don't worry about whether Trump starts flapping his mouthleton. Yeah, let's roll, Nick. I grabbed 37. That's a lie. I bought 37 and sold 42. And then I sold 41 and bought 40. Yeah, right. 5 points and 1 point. I don't ask me how. Don't know. But I did get an extra point. Extra point, good. I'll take it. I hate how on the footprint you have to zoom in so much. Okay, all 5-minute signals were Deutschnet. Good old Trumperton. Okay, I need to work on 8 and 9, Eli. Good. Yeah. Perfect. Elisha, can you update it from yesterday? Because I think we only need 1 or 2 more days on 8 and 9. And counting today. So I do believe I need to step it up a little bit in the profiteering. Wow, look at this thing still go. I've got the itch.
Order filled.
I'm going to do it in the eval. I'm going to call the high by hitting long in the eval. Oh. All right.
Order filled.
Thank you. If my records are showing correctly, it's 8 and 9. 8 and 9, not 6 and 7. Yes, right now. Nicholas, right now. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop is 42.75. I'm doing this in the eval because the stops are ridiculous. 42.75. Add is 49.75. So we got a 7-point target. All right, I can take that. I can dig it. I'm like this. I'm like smack 'em. I can dig it. I could dig it. 53. You have the large volume node. Oh, it's even your VPOC here. I'm in the eval in this one. In the eval. Is that creating light pollution on that? If I turn that off, okay, and if I that's better. Good. Come on, fill me. Fill the ad. Fill the ad. Please. On the 5-minute, that bar is so huge. That's why this trade is so risky on the 2-minute. In the eval only. Only in the eval. Oh. Why is it getting smoked so bad? Ah, it's got 2 contracts. Good, 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 good. I'm trying to add at 49.75. Did it just one tickle snickle me? It did. It just schnickled me at 50. Now, you rat bastards. Look at that. They stole my idea. All right. I trademarked that bad boy. Look at that one tickle snickle from my Rickle. That is just wrong. Well, now you owe me my target of 63.75. Let's roll. Full disclosure, I'm in the eval in this trade because the stop is so big. Because the stop is so big. I can get a better one. I'll get a better trade and a better stop and a better trade. Like this one right here that we took on the Rizzle. Oh, it's in a different account. Ah, good. Let's look. Whoa. There we go. Good, good, good. Wow. That's pretty cool that it let me do that. All right, I'll take it. Ah. Are we bored yet? When you're bored, you'll make a lot of money. 60's the high, please. 60. Another long? Anywhere under here? All right.
Order filled.
All right. $49.50 ad. Yeah.
Order submitted.
All right, I'll do it. With a 67.50 target. All right, I'll do it. Well, come on now. Boomski, boomski. NQ is just littered with blue paint. Okay, now we also have a 5-minute long RBI. That's got ad orders written all
Order
over it. Oh, we got filled on some ad orders.
Stop filled.
We got stop orders too. I don't see what happened because I'm still long. Weird. What stopped? Was it one contract? And I'm in the eval. I don't. Oh, only one of the trades stopped. Good. Good. Mr. David, it's a good morning to you. I still am long in the eval, guys. Long in the eval. This is not conducive to. I got to be real careful in the props, in the PAs. Give me Claritin. 55, 64, 78, 96, 86, 90. Oh, did they just grab them? So it stopped one of the trades. Oh, yeah, because yeah, I only had one. Oh, good, 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 good. Oh, good. Added both of those. Oh, that was beautiful. 40, 50 stop. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, boy. 57.25 is an add
Order
order.
submitted.
We're going deep, 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 deep in this eval here, but it is looking juicy here. Mm-hmm. Yep. Not going to get filled. No, 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 no. I don't want all three of them. I don't want all three of them. 67.50 is the target. $78. So 64.78. So here's 64. And I got 67.50 for 1R. Oh yeah. 63.75, 67.50, 73. Mm-hmm. 5.5 minutes to the opening bell. Sir, let's get us out of most of this position, sir, before the opening bell. 64.78. So I need it to bust 64 because that was my first target. Yeah, it's all. And I can't split this order. See? So I'm not messing with it. Stop. Okay. Okay. I was wondering how it did that. Okay. That makes more sense. I was like, how did I have one on there? Remember, this isn't an eval, everybody. I'm just following the directions, following the plan. We got 3 minutes till the opening bell. Here we go. So the 925 sold.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, here we go. 2 minutes till the opening bell, folks. I'm in the eval until I get some real clarity and the volatility comes down. Yesterday, I got annihilated just because the leverage got away from what I was actually trying to do. So I'm trading much, much smaller today. I accidentally traded more than one account at one time when the volatility spiked. And let me just tell you right now, that was not good. No buoyancy. No buoyancy. No buoyancy. Oh, we got a buy right here too.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. 5 minute long on the ES2. So we have nothing but buy signals here, right? So if I have nothing but buy signals, other people probably do too.
Order
So
submitted.
let's see who wins, right? Not just retail, right? Okay, not. Oh, shit. Not just retail, but the professionals as well. My NT is just fine. All right, here we go. 30 seconds, 25 seconds. They can do anything they want to this, folks. Let's see what they do. Because we are in a down market, larger time frame. What trade you're seeing is in an eval. I'm just following the process. 2 minute and 5 minute longs everywhere. Everywhere I see. Here we go. 5 seconds.
Order filled. Order submitted.
They're trying to own it at 50. There's someone leaning into it. 50's your VPOC.
Order canceled.
Okay. Leg sweep out, whatever leg sweep that was, it worked. Worked just fine. There it is. Let's go. Okay, there's a buyer. There's your first buyer after 3 sellers so far. $50 has 900. Wide swings. Pending home sales at 10 a.m. Treasury buyback at 11. 20-year bond at 1. Oh, that's going to be good. At 1:01 p.m. is going to be good. Yeah, they're starting to lean into this here. Are they successful? Delta's neutral, nothing to see. Gold is up 1.8%. I need some of these contracts to come off here. I've got 3 built up with a leg sweep. Leg sweep out. The buyers are trying. They're trying to be buying. You're going to need a large delta spike for them to be successful because your larger time frames are down, right? Remember, we went over that. We were in chop zone in the daily chart, okay? And we were in position 1 down in the 4-hour, which is absolutely mind-boggling to think that that's how it is right now because of how long we have been in position 1 to the upside. Look at this. It finally, time was the vessel, right? Time was the vessel, right? So now what is this? What do we do here? Do we go back to the open, the low of the first bar or not, right? Of the gap or not, right? That's the question. All right, so now they're leaning back into the 50s, back into the 50s. Okay, are they drawing on liquidity to take it lower? Okay, are they drawing on liquidity to take it lower?
Order submitted.
52, he owns
Order
them.
filled.
So either he's going to get dumped on or he's going to win.
Order submitted.
52 to 57 quickly. Maximum. Ooh, the battle's between 50 and 52 now. They're trying to lean, folks. Do they lean back into it? This, what you see is just my eval. Just everybody understand, I'm just pulling through the motions. Look, I got 3 buy signals. This one was complete. Buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. I still have a leg sweep way down here by these stops. I have a leg sweep. So it's going to go order filled, stop filled. Okay, and it doesn't matter because that's 2 different trades. Show me 57. Stopped 52.25. Free trade 57
Order
target.
canceled.
Bang. Now, why did I buy that? 52 tape. Thank you for playing. Thanks for mugging. Let's roll. We have a target. Let's see. We have a target on 64.25. So one of these goes 60. It won't. It won't. Okay. Oh. Okay, 64.25 is 1R on your 5 minute after the legs. Perfect leg sweep at 49.25. That's where that extra contract came from. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm actually going 2R on my leg sweep. Oh. Buy 49.25. Oh, I sold it at 53. Okay, good. Oh, good. I was worried for a second there. Come on, 64s. What happened? Where'd you go? Oh, look at him deteriorate it right there. Yuck. You. This has to close higher, otherwise it's smoked. Okay, 57 over under. Straight 52s if we don't. Just like we said from 52, 57. It's 57, 52. Quickly. Okay, canceling add order.
Order canceled.
Putting stops together, moving stops up. $54 stop. I don't want it under 57. I don't want it under 57. See?
Stop filled.
See? 57, 52. Watch. We didn't want no part of that. Oh. Yep. Bink. All right, great trade. Didn't produce what I would have loved, but hey, that's why the eval's there. That actually was a shit trade, to be real honest with you. That eval just got annihilated somehow. I'm actually not sure how. The two contracts that got stopped out, that was minus 1,500 in a fraction of a second in the eval, so it was working against us. All right. Well, what do we got next? Well, we got railroad tracks, and I'm glad that happened in the eval. That's why I took it in the eval. That's NQ looks weak. NQ looks weak. Yeah. Yeah. Sure, you betcha. Yeah, I see no huge volume nodes since the opening bell, when usually there's at least 1,000 on a one price. I see none of that. I am nicely green. My eval is not nicely green. It will be in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Actually, I'm still supposed to be in the long. Nothing was actually triggered. Because there's a stop that's preposterous. Astonishing, even. They're going to smoke it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Eval. Yeah, don't bet against that though, Martin. You know what I mean? You can't bet that he's going to worsen it because of all the world leaders that are kind of in his corner, whether they like it or not, right? They have to play with whatever president is there.
Order filled.
Okay, we do have a long. I'll take it in the eval. I like the ones that envelop the engulf the whole volume pattern here, right? Like look what they just did. They just pulled the liquidity to make it more expensive, right? So now what do? Do they pull the liquidity to make it more expensive for the shorts or the longs, right? So let's watch. But it's beautiful. It's win or lose. This is a thing of beauty here. Stops are way too wide for me to trade live. All right, here we go. One tick for my target. Come on, boom bap. Okay, cancel ads.
Order canceled.
Stops up. Free trade. One tick. Thank you. Um, oh 06. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, it's 06 is kibosh there. It's El Smoked. All right, so 7 consistency works good. Okay, we get so if it's at 34%, what do I need to do? I need to make a little bit more today and tomorrow? Or just today actually, right?
Target filled.
Boom, target hit. One left. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying because it'll average in. Okay, I see. Got it. I don't mean more than the more than the high threshold. I just mean normal. Average. Ah, that's what I want to know. Yes. It is. Um, oh, oh, yeah, and I'm right at that. I like that. That's crazy. I see it. Yeah. All right. I like that candle. If this runs, okay. If that would have closed red body, that would have scared me. I would have closed it out because it would have been a perfect little 3-bar play. 5 minute is still long. 5 minute actually has a buy signal. 2000 sell to bid was right here at 65.25. So there was a massive trade here at 65.25 in the past. And so now they're above it. All right. Okay, I'm going to have my moving average follow the 20 minus 1. $65.25 over under. Heavy. Heavy. They got him above it. Mm-hmm. 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 Wow, that stop is getting too big. Come on, 20. Come on, 20. What are you doing? Push. Oh, goodness. I don't like 15-point stops, folks. No, 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 no. Go, 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 go. The algorithms are like, okay, how far away from the 20 are we? How many stops are stuck on it? How did that untie? However could that untie? No, no, no. Come on now. Yeah. NQ ripping. NQ ripping. What did we say was going to happen yesterday, Eli? How did he know? That the buyers might step in, right? That the buyers might step in, right? Oh, the 06 is smoked. Down to 3. Down to 3. They'll make a fortune with 3, though. Mm-hmm. Between Normandy and Weston. Top of the range. Top of the 15 to 63.50. 65.25 still my over-under. As it's the 5-minute bar low. Wow. Yeah. Lots of conversions at 65.25. Get them through 71. We got something to talk about, folks. We can ride home to Mama. Oh, we got to get through 72 court. I am so sorry, Mama. Dear Mama. Dear Mama. You got offers all the way up. Mama's writing home. Mama's writing back. Hi, Mama. Push. There they go. There they go. Come on, chew them 73s. You know what to do. There you go. Chew them 75s. Go on now. Don't be afraid. Why am I not seeing? You know what? It didn't save something. Where? Oh, where? Where is that? What if we go 250? Does that change it? Come on now. You know what to do. Chew. Anyone long with the eval account there? Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. 2R 78.25 from blue. It's a big bull 180 blue, big veiny bull 180. Oh, sweet mercy in the morning. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, come on. I want to hear it. Order filled. It's the sound of napalm. Smell of napalm. It was huge, Chad. That's why the eval got it. See, I can't. My stop.
Target filled.
Target filled. Let's roll. That was big, actually. All right. Now we chill. All right. So here's the trade. It was this. Okay. Where was the? My hands are cold. Okay. And they're off to the races now, folks. They got them. They got them by the short and curlies above 65.25 seller. I have it notated on my chisel snarts, and you can see the exact line. Look, no play, no play. 2,000 sell to the bid, right? Okay. Now, why? Look. Bing! A donkey shame. They own them. That guy was buying. Listen. If this thing really propels higher, that guy just we were watching him, right? We're all over the guy. We're over the guy like stink on poo, right? Because if you think about it, 60 points, that's only 1%. So he got a 1% discount when he was buying down here. So now all of the other shares, look, and we're looking at this on the 2-minute chart, right? He's using the 15 or the hourly, or the minimum, the hourly 4 hour. Okay, minimum. Ain't nobody trading 1,000 contracts per limit resting order, chilling, kicking it like a Van Damme flick. That's not how it works. I mean, it is, but you got some moxie if you're going to do that, right? So he was either covering a short or accumulating, or a combination of the both, which is fine. Look at that. We're up in the 80s. Let's roll. Okay. Everything is delayed. Personal, let's see. Today was personal home sales, pending home sales index. Apparently they like it. I don't know if that's actually news that we can trade on. I would say 11 a.m. and 1:01 p.m. And then 2 p.m. Treasury buyback announcement. Okay, so 8 and 9 need to work as well. So yeah, so all of them together. Okay. We nailed it. Now we have to wait for it to come back to the reality out of the stratosphere for us to. I mean, because look, here's the deal: if you hit long right now, it's going to smoke you like a pack of cigarette. No, not even try it. Ain't even worth it. Anyone else play with poker chips while they're trading? Does anyone else have a fidget spinner while they're trading? Did I just say that out loud? I'm sorry. Good morning, everyone. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn notification bells on. We do this daily. We kick some butt daily. I did lose several accounts yesterday due to accidental pushing of the button, and I did not mean to do it, but it did happen, and it was in all accounts. So I lost several accounts. I'm down to three. Full disclosure, down to three. But there's no reason you can't make a fortune off of it with three, right? And we're just going to slowly gain those other accounts back. Very profitable today. Very profitable today. And what I'm working on now is execution over opinion. Okay, listen, my opinion don't mean shit in this market, and my process has proven it several times. Okay, you've got 700 at 86, 700 at 86. See, now he's playing the game the other way. You see it? The market maker has to reload.
Order filled. Order submitted.
This is a sell bar that Nick was talking about earlier. See the difference, Nick? Slight difference. And let's see if we can fill that FVG, right? Because no, my stuff, my target's in the perfect place. 75 target. That's the big buyer down there. Yep. Good call, Joey. Good call, Joey.
Order filled.
Okay, that's way too many buyers. That's easy liquidity right there, boys and girls. So let's see what they do with it. Did I miss my target? Was the target at the end of the thing there? It must have been. They must be buying it. They own it. Oh, where's the... Oh, you didn't hit my stop yet? What? What? Lots of buyers. Lots of buyers. They could trap them hard under 80. Here's what I'm looking at. Look at how it's lighting up like a Christmas tree, right? Either they're going to springboard this off, or someone's going to recognize the liquidity and take it. It's one or the other. And I'm only in the eval short because of this pattern. Okay, 83 decision, 83 decision. The second you think that they're going to buy it and you own 83, they're just going to clap you. Okay, they're trying to own Bitcoin. You see that? Oh my Guten Tag. Oh, wait, what? Oh, what? How come? I can't say it with a straight face. It's hard. But where's the all the yellow and this with the right? Wouldn't that just be the perfect place for the quants to realize that the liquidity is there and they can just put their orders there and then shove it right up there? Right, because they have to draw into liquidity on both sides, right? Let's say they want it to go higher. Okay, so now they have to own it at 75 or 76 or something like that, right? Because what if they could have to refill. Yeah, well, I'm hoping, right? Do. 75 is the perfect place because it's that last big buyer in the up bar, in your exhaustion bar. And so if they start breaking through the FVG, we're going to be right near the bottom of it at a nice round odd number. There's no way this trade works. You guys know that, right? 0% chance that it succeeds. So I'm going to stay in it. Why, man? Why, bro? Okay, stops down. Okay, it's got to be right there behind that buyer. Okay, so 80, 50. I hate the stop, but we're going to leave it right there, and then we'll get it down to about 79.50 here. If we can get under 76, we'll go 79.50. Sub 76, sub 76 should fill us, okay? Should fill us. Okay, stop down again.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go. There you go. So now, folks, how did I know that was going to happen? How come I was talking about it like it was no big fucking deal? And my stop was 85, and it was like, oh, okay, now go up there and just burn candlelight. Look. If that wasn't a world-class tape read, folks, you're in the wrong room. Hit the like button for what I just showed you. You're not going to see that anywhere else in the... Come on. The only thing I ask of is a like. Okay, share it with your friends too. All right. Nick, did you see the difference? Wasn't it perfect? You see the difference, Nick? That's like the momentum is still there, and this is a pinprick. Okay, momentum is dead. This is not a pinprick. Just like the difference, right? People are like, oh, who cares if the body is red or green on a, what is this called, a pin bar? Me. I do. Because in context, it actually matters. Yeah, isn't that cool? So I shorted it for that reason, Nick. How many times have we thought that that's just going to keep going up and you're buying the body of the bar and you get smoked, folks? All they're doing is probing your stizzle snaps for your $100 to piss you off. Don't you understand? Okay, they're literally doing that. Now, who are they? Okay, the sweeping algorithms that know that you're too vulnerable because you're over leveraged at the top. Now, someone asked me how I know that. Go ahead. No, someone asked Nick how I know that. Someone asked Nick, who is I'm for reals, how I know what that is a circumstantial statement of what I just said. That is all, folks. That is all. Okay, let this thing do what it's going to do, and then we'll figure it out, right? This is where people get in too early. This is where people get in too early, okay? Too late. Excuse. Too late, right? Because, yep. Yeah, guys, those of you that are new, first of all, welcome. You'll see me make mistakes, right? You'll see me make mistakes, and then we all learn from them. Okay? That's what makes me a good coach. All right. So now where are we at? We're looking at the 15-minute here. This looks like Bubkiss, right? Because here's where everybody watch this. Everybody tries to go long. Give me a second here. Right, they try to go long and right when we get into this because they feel comfortable in the move. Okay, so when you get to IBX3, those of you that are still long, when you get to IBX3, watch because you've got confluence with your breaker block. You see it, and your median threshold of the breaker block. Do you see that? Now I hate using those stupid effing terms because of that donkey that doesn't really trade. Okay. But as long as we're all speaking the same language, I will continue to talk like that, okay, with those terms, which is fine, as long as we all understand each other and can communicate with no no loss in translation, okay?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Too quick. I was just going to bid 79.50 and your stop would have been 76. Too late. Shigong. Your target would have been 92. Right? Am I saying that right? Something like that. Too quick. Finally got an x-ray on my back. Robert, let's go, baby. Let's go, Robert. Yeah, it's a buy. I like I said, I missed it. Not my money. It's 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 not my money. Let's see. Let's take a look at larger time frames so I can't click on the shit here. Oh, right where we were talking. Okay, good. Okay, so what we have, right? If you look at this chart and if you understand how it works, or can read that's on it. Okay, we have the breaker block. Okay, that becomes an inversion, right? That tests, never closes above. So the critical number right now on the 15-minute chart is in fact 0 to 01. Critical if you're an ICT thinker, you're looking to see if they buy it or sell it above that, whether it closes above or below it. Let's go to the 1 hour. Because remember, we can trap the ICT players too. You have to think about it like that. All right, so we have the fair value. So it shows it a lot clearer here. We have the fair value gap. Okay, tests. Okay, what's the top of that level? 01s. 01s, whatever that number is. Oh, yeah, 01s, 02s, deuces. So if we come up and touch this, don't come into it. Here, I can draw it. We can know exactly what the freaking numbers are, man. Come on, man. There you go, man. Okay, 89.75 to 01s. So your median threshold right there is about 95's 96. 95 is 96. Look at how they couldn't close above the median threshold, right? But let's look at this right here. If this, why is this not a? Let's see. Okay, they consider that one. No, or did I draw that? Okay, they consider that the block. Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. I like that. I like that because it's. This is the head. Okay. Right, because a breaker block is the shoulder, is the neck, right? Is the highest closing neck, right? Look at this thing turning around exactly where we were looking. This is freaking beautiful, fam. So what we want, because we're in the chop zone in the daily, we're position 1 down on the 4 hour, position 1 down on the 1 hour. Position, well, right now we just went into chop zone on the 15-minute, right? What do? Go ahead. Somebody else type it in. Tyson, you just came in. What are we doing? I have, okay, so Robert, I have I have extreme sciatic pain. Okay, and so then I just got the X-rays, and Dr. Toby here, right next to me, who's literally in the office next to me here, he's going to be able to get a release and be able to read them, and we're going to get this fixed. I'm also going to get physical therapy on top of the Dr. Toby adjustings. As he is a chiropractor, he cannot do other adjustments until he has medical proof. Majestic, what's up, buddy? We are chilling, kicking it. We're kicking it like a Van Damme flick, bro. All right, so now look at the exact price there at 80s. Did you see that? Did anyone catch that? Okay. That do you see the blue? Do you see the fair value gap? I gotta change this color. I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna kill me because it's gonna be pink. I don't care. But I gotta get all the here's the deal. I gotta get all the red off the screen. Okay, and if it means a soft color, okay, those of you that are tough guys, it's okay. It's just a color. Okay, we'll go a white border. Okay, and then we'll keep that there. Okay, but then we're gonna go. What is our other color, Elijah? Well, we could go like this, and then we could go like this. Whoa. I don't like that. I can't see that. Let's go the other way around. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Oh, sweet mercy in the morning. That's much better. I can't do that. Just go like that, but I gotta fix these. Yeah, look at how it goes right up in there. Look, we did, and we haven't touched that breaker yet. Okay, 5 seconds here. Show me a draw first, please. Right, so like this. Look, this is very, very simple. Here. Okay, watch here. Now look at this. You got here, right? So what we want, right, is we want for it to draw first into the middle, right, and then we can go. Does that look familiar to anyone? What's that actually called? Someone type it in what it's actually called. Oh yeah, I do. I stretch, Robert. And when you see me walk away, I'm actually going to walk about a mile and a quarter, every single time you see me walk away. No. Even simpler than that. It's called market auction theory, right? Oh. No, this is not ICT. Thank God. This is Dalton. Dalton. It's been around. Well, it's been around, since about the 1600s. So, where? Let's talk about something that's pretty fascinating. Entertainment versus education versus people that actually know what the F they're talking about. I find it absolutely fascinating that there's people that are willing to watch losing traders day in and day out over people that can actually read tape and things like that. I find that fascinating. I do blame YouTube's algorithms, because if you're trading correctly, you're not typing, right? And so streaming, a profitable trader streaming on YouTube is actually not easy to do. Okay? Because if you guys are doing this correctly, you can't be typing, right? You can't be typing. You can read tape or you can type. You can't do both. Okay? And those of you that are just watching candles, okay, I recommend you stop just watching candles. You got to look at what's inside the candles. And so, just like that world-class tape read short that I just showed, it baffles me that people just continue to watch the entertainment side of it. Right now, it shows why 99.2% of the traders never get funded. Right. That Robert fully understand if you can't do it, right? And so if you can't do it, you do it on your off time in market replay, right? That's how that you don't do it live while you're actually trading. I agree with that. So I'm Robert. I'm not scolding you. Let's be very clear. You have done the work, my friend. Okay, you're one of the 24 people watching. Okay, I find it so fascinating. Yes, guys, I've blown up several times on the stream. Okay, that's old Rev, right? So now it's the algorithm, right? You guys need to share this somehow, right? Those of you, those 24 of you, you need to share this because it goes by things like how fast is the chat typing, how many people are buying memberships and all that stuff, right? And if we're just focused on trading, what do those analytics have anything to do with anything? Yeah. So, I mean, I could end the stream. You know what I mean? But that's not going to help any of you guys. I'm waiting for my trade to pop off. Let's roll. Stops are huge, like 16 points right now. If this bar closes, it's a 16-point stop. Elijah, can you answer that? Because it's very specific. Like, it's not just like, oh, hey, let's try this. No, it's like, no. They change the algo all the time. Now, look, there's a lot of people that they saw me in my worst, right? They saw me in my worst mental state I was ever in my entire life. Okay, and I get it. All right, but hey, the kid's got talent. The kid's got talent. Let him throw. Forget about the curveball, Ricky. Give him the heater.
Order submitted.
Give him the
Order
heater.
filled.
All right. So the thought is Elijah will answer that thoroughly without me guessing and spitballing.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Come on, 91. He owns them at 88. He owns them at 89. He bought them at 89.75. And now he bought them at 80.90.75. And do I get to release him at 91? Yes, I do. Let's go. He shoots. He scores for another 3 points. Thank you. For another 3 points. Thank you. Let's roll. Yay. Yay me. So does he get the draw, right? So it would be a sweep or a run, right? Right here. Either they're going to sweep, well, okay, a draw or a run. Sweep, grab, or run. He owns them in 89.75 again. I just needed it to get into 91, which it did. Ian. NQ or ES? Nonetheless, great job, buddy. You deserve it. You've done the work. Folks, Ian has been in the background doing the work. Ian, share this stream if you would, please. Everybody share this stream. That's the meaning of this recording. Let's go, baby. You guys with the NQ are crazy. I'm gonna be real with you on that. I'm just gonna stay in the simulator for a while on that one because as beautiful as it looks, oh my God. The ES can move like 1.5 points and the NQ will be 47 points away from where you. Wait. Howdy-do. What? What? How? Big green and blow it. Just have your wife come in and stomp on your sack. Tyson? Silver in the sim. See, look. He's not testing with real money or stuff like that. He's trading in the sim. Good. This is the way. As you see, there's no paint bars that tell me to be in this, other than I should still be long mucho green from about the 55s. 40 points ago? What? This is on the ES looking like an NQ, right? So you guys should be sized down. The boot. Tyson, remember Bones Brigade 6? The boot has jammed his scoot. All right, what I'm waiting for is some sort of huge volume to come through. Sizable, right? Sizable volume. Until then, this thing's just going to do what it does, what it does, what it do. Wow. All right, we're in that box. Here we go. Is this the take profit level, or do they blast her? Okay, because if they get this thing going, all right, this is easy. Your Target is 6911. Somebody dial 91111.
Order filled.
And we got the OOs. Don't forget about your OOs as your midline. Oh, don't you one tick Rick me. Don't one tick Rick me.
Target filled.
Target filled. Thank you. All right. All right. Okay. Good. Yeah. Oh, he bought 852 freaking contracts. That's what I wanted to see. Like I said. Yeah, bought him. I got 01. Yeah. I got 00. Perfect. That's what I wanted. 01. I moved it down from 01. Excuse me. SK Hughes me. Holy shit. Is that real? Wait. Okay. 04 has 900.
Order submitted.
We're watching 99 to 04. 99 to 04. Lots of volume up here on these bars. Bam. Lots of volume on these bars. Very large offer, Abavis. We've got a very large alpha Abavis, 891, and it's still there. It's live, 879. Oh, they're going to get it there before I can even get in the freaking contract. Come on now.
Order filled.
Thank you. Now push. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. I'm in the eval still because stops are redonkulous here. I'm joining that offer. I'm saying, let's go. Give it to me, baby. Okay, and then when it hits it, now watch this. When it hits it, don't be surprised that this... Oh, I just hit my elbow. Don't be surprised if that box gets pinched. I'll draw the box in a second. I'm going to cry. Oh. Right here. Okay, that's our box. That's our box. I'm spitballing the stop. That's why I'm in the eval. I don't know what the actual stop would be. I'm just going to go 1 to 1 from 99 to 04. Wow, my elbow hurts. Damn, that hurts, man. Okay, they pulled it. Now it's back. But where would the stop go? Underneath this? Oh, well, it can't go right on it. Nope. It can't go right on it. So we have to go for much, much more. We have to assume that they're going to be at that target. And we got to go for something larger. Yeah, let's. 07 looks great. All right, so here's your level, right? You're 99s. Either above that or below that. You see that there? You see that there? I'm in the eval. Okay, if I get paint right here above 99 quarter, I'm gonna go. Please don't make it so big that I have to pay up. Please. Uh, uh, uh. So if it pushes real hard up towards that 04, I'm gonna move that stizzle snop up because I don't want to give up that much. Folks, I don't want to give up that much now. See, now I can go for this. Good. Oh, you are going to do it. No, don't do it. Don't. No, no, no. That's way too big. Yeah, good. Yeah, just stay like that. Okay, good. Stop at break even +1. Just go. This is ugly. So stop at break even. Come on now. Get it in there. Okay, here's the thing. If they buy this 04 altogether, it's going to create the burst in delta, right? So are we supposed to be at 07 or are they going to absorb it all? We're going to find out, my friend. Friend Za. And I don't care if they hit my stop. It doesn't matter to me. Right? This is not really in process. I mean, this is testing, if you ask me. You know, eval testing, honing. Does he get the score, folks? Does he get the score? Can he get it above 02?
Target filled.
Target filled. Is that number real? Is it? Hmm.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, I got that dope. 1,000 at 09. 1,000 at 09. No, 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 no. Let's see if he moves it up. Because you bought him at 04. You bought him at 04.
Order submitted.
Hmm. Interesting. Let me see. Hmm. That's all right. Let's go, Joey. I just read that. That's pretty funny.
Order filled.
$99 or 09 target. '09 target from '04. This is very obvious. And I have a foot sweep at 99s. Stops 92. Eval only on this one. These stops are freaking huge. Huge. Stops are huge. '09, 13, 75, 21. Okay, he's moved it to 10. Don't make me follow you, bro. Good. Hey, that means he's another point higher, right? Not that he put the offer up there, but he probably just paid up. Possibly, right? He's like, well, no, I'm kidding. No, that's not how it works. They're trying to push 04s, right? So they're trying to draw people off sides. I mean, I'd love to get a 99 fill, and then rip the tizzle snin. Let's roll. Eval only for me, folks. Yeah, we can either perform, or we can perform, and I'm going to perform. What do you think about that? They bought all the 04s. They own them. They started buying 350s. There were so many they bought 350s. Oh yeah. Copy that, Eli. Eli, did you see the question that Martin asked? And I got to go 09. I can't be changing stuff up, even though that offer just went to 10s. I'm gonna go 09. That'll be my first one. Stop at 04. No, stop at 0325 because it is not supposed to go below there. My premise is null and void. I'll lose 3 ticks. Yeah, good. All right, good answer. Martin, what you can do is just keep becoming a better trader and talk about it. Talk about where you learned it. Here it comes. Bohica shorts. Okay, we're at highs of the session. Yeah, no, that makes sense, right? Perform or perform. Yeah. No, I get it. Tens are just drawing people off sides. So I like my nines. Look at that one tick from my nine. It's like I'm the only person in the freaking world, and there's just one. They're just printing numbers next to mine, right? Ooh, that is some heavy tape. Okay, I am not liking this.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out of that. I was getting too thick. We're so far up here. Okay, even if this thing gets to the nines and the tens, I'm out. I'm out. Small win. Now, you're going to ask me what I see after it moves down. So why don't you guys ask me now? Yeah, oh, absolutely. I think that D Madness guy can trade. I do. I really think he's a good trader. Um, seriously, I think he's a great trader. But I'm better. 1277 at 10. How do we get to him? How do we get to him? How do we get to those? Do we buy 4 again? Yeah, he's a good trader. Otherwise, Patrick would have me trade. You know what I mean? Why not? He's a good trader, and he fits the demographics. So it's it's a little bit different than bald 48-year-old white guy. Which hey, look, I fully understand it. You know what I mean? Yeah, no, I get it. I get it. Abso-freaking-lutely. Do we do 04 again? I think
Order
they're
submitted.
playing games. 04 to 10. Okay, or it goes straight 99s from the 04s if it pops. But I think they got him short and curls here. Okay, ES up 1%, NQ up 1.38%. But remember, reciprocity is a B. Okay, reciprocal of losing about 2.25% of the S of the NQ is absolutely not up 1.39%. That's not that's ain't gonna do it. Wouldn't be prudent, right? We have to get back to 69.74. We got 70 points. Now, can we do it? Yep. Okay, what's the actual number we're looking for right now? 11. Oh, no, I fully understand. I'm talking about optics of like hip, like his demographic
Order
versus
filled.
mine. You know what I mean? But it's going along with what I'm saying, where people would rather be entertained than, because you saw that he moved D money to the morning slot, right? Now, I think it's kind of weird that Patrick always has exactly 2,000 people watching, even though he's grown 4x since I started with him, and then he was at like 350,000 when I left, right? Now he's at 800,000. Are there 800,000 traders? Are there 800,000? I don't know if there's 800,000 traders that watch YouTube. I don't think so. I'm not really sure. I know that there's 3,000. I know there's 3,000. Look at that. They're leaning into the fours. I'm in the eval. Oh, see. Like right now. All right, pop that liquidity and run them. Let's roll. Yeah, that's true. I also don't live in Orlando, Florida. That's where they live, right? I just don't live in Orlando. No, I don't think I have interest in living in Orlando. I don't know. Maybe I'd live there. Sounds nice to me. All right, 04 to 10. Just based on tape is what I'm looking at. Or it's 04 to 98. I am nice and green, 700 something bucks. 600 something bucks. I'm so sorry. 600 something. I said it wrong. 654. And then my eval's up 1795 right now. They're leaning. Delta. Delta Warriors. Constant lean. Delta Force. Oh, also top of the breaker block that we drew, right? So that's another reason that I'm just not even thinking about going long in cash up here. Yep, absolutely. Yep. I'm gonna step away for a second as well, folks. We'll keep the stream going here. There's nothing to freaking see here. This is absolutely boring. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this correct to where we have the right stop, the right exits, the right entries.
Order submitted.
Okay. Okay.
Order filled.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Okay, got 1,081 at 650. Oh, that line's up frickin' perfect. Let's go. See, he's playing games, folks. Delta says not yet. Delta says not yet, folks. Deltonius. Oh, that's beautiful. In the eval. Oh, they got it through the 94s, so or excuse me, the 04s. So I mean, they should sell it down. Okay, unless they find some sort of buyer, and you'll see it on the CVD, right? So we have this perfect little flag. So the next move is the move, right? Because the CVD tells you whether they're leaning into the bid or leaning into the offer. Now, are they leaning into the bid and leaning into the offer in relation to price, going up or down? We don't know. This is where old losing rev would add to his losing trade. Thinking he had a hunch, right? So he's just going to, a new winning rev is just going to let this play out. I added at 99.25, leg sweep. Okay, and I'm going for the 06s here. 06s, because we've got an 0650 and a 10 offer. Okay, going for the 06s. Get ready to hear it. Two-tick Nick. Okay, stops up on one.
Stop filled.
All right, one left. I got a little bit of profit out of that push towards the 0625s from my leg sweep. So leg sweep out. This is actually looking pretty freaking weak, even though you have a nice push on your delta. That could be a trap. Oh, look. Oh, wait, no. No. Why is it doing that? Why? Okay, is it this that's doing it? Oh, that doesn't make any sense. No, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, look at that sword on the 5. Just kind of in the wrong place. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm.
Order submitted.
They're trying to close above the O6s to get the 15-minute, the 1 hour, and all that kind of stuff pushing, right? So they're drawing it. See these large offers? These right here, these large offers. Right. These large offers right here at 06. And then he just moved it.
Order canceled.
Why does it do that? Why? I have to look, it removes my stops and targets and everything. Now I got to draw them all back. It's so stupid.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
If this fails, they're going to turn this into some sell signals and shit like that. So let's kind of lock in here. They're going to try to trap again. You got to pay attention. You got to pay attention to the CVD in direct relation to the bubbles and the price, right? Not just bubbles and CVD. You have a lower high, so I am looking to exit above my entries here. Yep.
Order submitted.
You do have a pink.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Watching 94s. $94.50, excuse me.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Okay, tape's speeding up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. They're speeding it up. Okay,
Order canceled.
775's out. 775's out. Legs sweep out. They're speeding it up. Let's see if we can get some action here. It's got to go through 98. You got tape at 98. I did get my 775's out. Okay, there's the buyer. They have to trap the buyer, otherwise this thing's going right through it. Okay, and I closed the long at 99.50 if you guys... And it's short. Okay, good, 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 good. Yeah, this is the right account. Good, good, good. Okay, just to show you, what was that? 12. Closed. Closed.
Order canceled.
And we're going for 4 even. 450. Why does it keep doing that? 450. That's a nasty sword. Against my pink? Hmm. $96 over under.
Stop filled.
Okay, out. That was fucking terrible. I'll be real with you. That was terrible. That was subpar. All right, we'll leave the stream on for maybe one more trade. How? Let's see. Let me take a look. Yeah, let's see. Do we have a trade that could fire? Possibly. Now, one thing that I do want to point out is my trades are not breakout trades. So that's why this one kind of failed. If you look at it right here, that's why I wasn't super heavy about it. Take everything.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
I did get a eval short in. It stopped me on my prop PA.
Stop filled.
Flat.
Order filled. Order submitted.
NQ nasty bar down. Okay, we might get an RBI reminder here. GBI reminder, or it's going to pop. $92, mark of the beast. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Thank you. Watching 84, 86s, 85s.
Order canceled.
This will be the last trade.
Target filled.
Out. Banger. Banger trade, guys. Banger trade. That was killer. That's going to do it for me. I'll see everybody over on the X stream. Going to put the link in the chat. See ya. Thanks, everyone. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn notification bells on. Thank you. Peace.